Natural remedies can be effective in managing hormonal imbalances, especially when combined with a healthy lifestyle. However, it's important to consult a healthcare provider before starting any new remedies, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medications. Here are some natural approaches to help balance hormones. A balanced diet is crucial for hormonal health. Focus on nutrient-dense foods that support hormone production and regulation. Healthy fats include omega-3 fatty acids found in fatty fish like salmon, walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds to reduce inflammation and support hormone production. Use healthy fats like avocado, olive oil, and coconut oil for cooking. High-fiber foods. Fiber helps regulate blood sugar and supports gut health, which is essential for hormone balance. Include whole grains, legumes, fruits, and vegetables. Protein-rich foods. Protein helps stabilize blood sugar and supports the production of hormones. Include lean meats, eggs, beans, and plant-based proteins. Cruciferous vegetables, broccoli, cauliflower, kale, and Brussels sprouts help detoxify excess estrogen and support liver health. Limit sugar and refined carbs. High sugar intake can disrupt insulin levels, leading to hormonal imbalances. Opt for natural sweeteners like honey or stevia in moderation. Stay hydrated, drink plenty of water to support overall health and hormone regulation. Certain herbs have been traditionally used to support hormonal balance. Always consult a healthcare provider before using herbs, especially if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or taking medications. Ashwagandha, an adaptogen that helps balance cortisol, the stress hormone, and supports thyroid function. It may also improve testosterone levels in men. Maca root, known to balance estrogen and progesterone levels in women and improve libido and energy. It may also support testosterone production in men. Chasteberry vitex, often used to regulate menstrual cycles, reduce PMS symptoms, and support progesterone production. Black cohosh, commonly used to alleviate menopausal symptoms like hot flashes and mood swings. Dongquai, a traditional Chinese herb used to support female reproductive health and balance estrogen levels. Turmeric contains curcumin, which has anti-inflammatory properties and may help balance hormones like insulin and cortisol. Simple lifestyle adjustments can have a significant impact on hormonal health. Exercise regularly. Engage in a mix of aerobic exercise like walking or running and strength training to balance insulin, cortisol, and sex hormones. Yoga and Pilates can also help reduce stress and improve hormonal balance. Manage stress. Chronic stress disrupts cortisol levels, which can affect other hormones. Practice stress-reducing techniques like meditation, deep breathing, or mindfulness. Get enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. Poor sleep disrupts hormones like cortisol, insulin, and growth hormone. Avoid endocrine disruptors. Reduce exposure to chemicals in plastics, pesticides, and personal care products that can interfere with hormone function. Opt for natural or organic products. Certain vitamins and minerals can support hormonal health. Always consult a healthcare provider before starting supplements. Vitamin D supports immune function and hormone production. Sunlight is the best source, but supplements may be necessary in some cases. Magnesium helps regulate cortisol and supports sleep, which is essential for hormone balance. Zinc is important for testosterone production in men and overall immune health. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fish oil or flaxseed oil help reduce inflammation and support hormone production. Probiotics support gut health, which is closely linked to hormone regulation. Some essential oils may help balance hormones by reducing stress and supporting overall well-being. Lavender promotes relaxation and reduces stress, which can help balance cortisol levels. Clary sage is known to regulate estrogen levels and reduce menstrual cramps. Frankincense supports thyroid function and reduces inflammation. Usage: dilute essential oils with a carrier oil like coconut oil and apply topically or use in a diffuser. Supporting your body's natural detoxification processes can help balance hormones. The liver plays a key role in hormone metabolism. Support it with foods like leafy greens, beets, and dandelion root tea. Regular exercise and sauna sessions can help eliminate toxins through sweat. Acupuncture is a traditional Chinese medicine practice that may help balance hormones by improving energy flow or qi and reducing stress. Limiting caffeine and alcohol is important, as excessive caffeine and alcohol can disrupt hormone balance. Opt for herbal teas or water instead. Track your symptoms by keeping a journal of your symptoms, diet, and lifestyle habits to identify patterns and triggers. This can help you and your healthcare provider develop a targeted plan. While natural remedies can be helpful, they may not be sufficient for severe hormonal imbalances. If symptoms persist or worsen, consult a healthcare provider for proper diagnosis and treatment. Conditions like PCOS, thyroid disorders, or menopause may require medical intervention. Finally, natural remedies, combined with a healthy lifestyle, can effectively support hormonal balance. However, individual needs vary, so it's important to work with a healthcare provider to create a personalized plan.